Good morning, my detailing people, and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm dealing with a car that has mold on the interior. So I'm just showing you the process that I take to help eliminate mold and do an interior detail on a car that's, in the condition that it is. So first thing that I want to do when it comes to mold is I want to protect myself. So therefore I got my jumpsuit, I got a respirator, and not one of the cloth dust masks, because that only protects you against dust and stuff like that. But a respirator protects you against bacteria as far as airborne viruses and stuff like that. So you also want to use some goggles, because you don't want that stuff getting into your eyes. So you want to take as much precaution as you can to protect yourself, because this stuff can be harmful. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to run an ozone generator. So I'm going to run that for about 45 minutes, and then I'm going to let the car air out. And what that's going to do is that's going to help kill any of the mold spores as far as being airborne, kill everything in the interior as far as the mold go. But then also after that, I'm going to take some white distilled vinegar and I'm going to spread it on the surfaces of the interior. That also, you can use that by itself and just help, eliminate majority of the mold. After I spray it down with the vinegar, I'm gonna go ahead and take a microfiber and I'm gonna wipe down the dash and wipe down the plastic surfaces. After you use the vinegar, you can go ahead and let the car air out a little bit, and then you can just do your normal process as far as your interior detail to go ahead and clean up the rest. But after I do my interior detail, I'm gonna do one last run of the ozone generator. So stay with us and check out the process. If y'all can hear me, we're going to go ahead and we're going to let that sit for about 10 minutes while we go ahead and warm up the steamer. Then after that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to wipe down all the plastics on the inside. Then we're going to go ahead with our regular cleaning process as far as shampooing and cleaning the plastic. to give y'all a recap, what we did today was we ran the ozone generator for about 45 minutes. After that, we let the car air out for about 15 minutes. And we went ahead and sprayed vinegar all over the interior. So then after that, we went ahead and we just continued on with our regular interior detail maintenance. So if you have ever ran into any problem like this, or you have some tips or tricks for me that I could use next time I may run across this type of situation, or anybody else that's watching, go ahead and put them down in the comment section below. And other than that, thank y'all for tuning in, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Stay blessed. Peace.